Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Clicks, the show where we help small business owners build better websites and grow online. I'm Brian from SoFlo Sites, and today we're diving into one of the most important parts of your digital strategy, how to turn clicks into customers. A lot of business owners focus on getting traffic, more clicks, more ads, more visitors. But here's the truth, traffic doesn't pay the bills. Customers do. So today we're going to break down what actually makes someone take action once they land on your site, and how to fix the little things that might be costing you leads every single day. Here's the hard truth. Most small business websites don't convert. They might look nice, but they don't guide visitors towards a specific action. And when people land on your site and don't know what to do next, they just leave. Let's talk about the top reasons that happens. There's no clear call to action. If your homepage doesn't tell people exactly what to do next, book now, get a quote, call today, they'll scroll and bounce. Your CTA should be impossible to miss. There's too much clutter. I see this all the time. Big blocks of text, busy backgrounds, 10 menu items, and 5 buttons all fighting for attention. Keep it simple. You've got seconds to grab attention. Slower, unoptimized websites. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, most people are gone. That's just how it is. And lack of trust. People don't buy from businesses they don't trust. If there are no reviews, no photos, and no real sense of who you are, visitors hesitate. And hesitation kills conversions. So, if your site feels more like a digital brochure than a real salesperson, that's your sign it's time to fix the funnel. Alright, so let's talk about how to actually fix it. How to turn those clicks into paying customers. Here are the steps I walk clients through when we build or redesign a site at SoFlo Sites. Pick one primary goal. Every page should have one purpose. Do you want calls, form submissions, online bookings? Whatever it is, design your page around that one thing. Make your CTA stand out. Big, bold buttons, clear action words. Get a free quote. Schedule now. Talk to an expert. Don't hide it in a paragraph. Make it impossible to miss. Show social proof. Add testimonials, reviews, logos, before and after photos, whatever builds confidence. Even one good testimonial near your call to action can make a huge difference. Simplify your forms. Only ask for what you need. If someone's just requesting a quote, name, email, and phone is enough. Don't make them write an essay before they can reach you. Make it mobile friendly. Over 70% of local business traffic is mobile now. If your buttons are tiny or the layout breaks on a phone, you're losing customers. And finally, follow up fast. This one's big. When someone fills out a form or messages you, respond quickly. A fast response builds trust and shows you're professional. These small tweaks can literally double your conversion rate without spending another dollar on ads. So let's talk about real results. Let me give you a quick real-world example. We worked with a local cleaning business whose website was getting traffic but no calls. When we reviewed the site, the Contact Us button was hidden in the footer and the form asked for too much info. We redesigned it with one goal: get more quote requests. We added a big Get a Free Quote button right on the homepage, simplified the form, added 2 testimonials with photos, and improved the mobile speed. The result? Within 30 days, they saw a 47% increase in inquiries. The same traffic, but better results. That's the power of conversion-focused design. So don't just focus on clicks, focus on clarity, trust, and action. All right, that's it for today's episode of Coffee and Clicks, how to turn clicks into customers. Remember, traffic is great, but conversion is what pays the bills. If you're not sure where to start, take a look at your own homepage. Ask yourself, does it clearly tell visitors what to do next? If not, that's your first step. And if you want help turning your site into a customer-generating machine, visit SoFloSites.com. We'll review your site and show you exactly what to fix. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and catch the next episode of Coffee and Clicks.